Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. We all know, if you're a parent, how hard it is to keep your nice things looking nice. Well, that's where these CasterMasters come into play. These are a non-slip grip for the bottom of your furniture. You can put them on your furniture legs to keep them from sliding across the floor and to prevent damage that the furniture would cause to the floor. We have a nightstand that we absolutely love. We keep it next to our couch, but the drawer sticks just a little bit. And every time we went to open it, it would slide across the floor and it just drove me crazy. Well, once I added these CasterMasters to the bottom of it, I am happier than a platypus with Gabby's because when we open it now, it does not slide. It stays into place. I do like that it's got this nice lip on there. It's about the width of my finger. It's not too high to lift a heavy piece of furniture to be able to slide this under. These are nice and rubbery, have a good grip. They don't have a scent to them, and you can just tell by the way they feel. They're nice and durable. These have been a great, simple solution for a big problem in our house. And that's my point of view.